I will be showing you how much this channel has generated in AdSense revenue in the last 30 days. Before I go into the video, I would like to show you the other monetization options for this channel. This channel has a join button and a link to a merch shop. There are several factors that influences the AdSense revenue of a channel, such as the location of the audience of the channel, the average RPM for the channel, the age range of the audience of the channel. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be choosing two major factors. The first factor is the number of views this channel got in the last 30 days, while the second factor is the average RPM for this channel. This channel got 1.2 million views in the last 30 days. And I'll be choosing the RPM of $5 because this channel is an automotive channel. The next step is dividing 1.2 million views by 1000 views. Then multiply the results by the average RPM of $5, which results to $6,000 in the last 30 days. This is the end of the video. Until the next one. Peace.